How did you take your Dominican hair from all black to this ashy, silvery, blonde, blunt cut? Let's talk about that. I'm gonna get comfortable because I want you guys to get comfortable. What's up, Beast fam? Welcome to another episode. My name is Sloan the Beast, and on my channel I post all things minimalism for big families. Whether you're on your journey as just a mother, or if you're on your journey as a family, if you need tips, if you need tricks, if you need inspiration and somebody to lean on, I'm your girl. So be sure to hit that notification button and subscription button so that you can catch up and stay up to date on every single time I post a video, which is typically on Thursday nights and Sunday mornings. I'm going to retract to 2017, December. I had completely shaved all of my hair off. The process to do this, it was very different to when I did it the first time around. What do I mean by that? So the first time around, I bleached my hair, I lightened my hair, I toned my hair. This time around, it has been a little bit more of a struggle. My hair is not hair that takes to color very well. I bleached my hair twice. I lightened my hair, I want to say another 2 times, and then finally I began the toning process. Everything that I did the first time around was not working for me this second time around. I started looking at different toners and I noticed that Ion had, actually I think I have some left, hold on. Okay, so Ion has this new, it is called Icy White. So this is basically just a toner. I tried this on and this is how I got to finally the color that I have. Well, this is the second application, but pretty much the color that I wanted, the color that I'm happy with. Because my hair at this length is so prone to high breakage, I make sure that I personally sleep on a silk scarf, for example. If I have a hard time wrapping this hair, and honestly I'm super lazy to wrap this hair like in a doobie, so I sleep on a silk pillowcase, and it just makes everything so much easier for me in the morning. I don't really have to worry about anything other than brushing it down, and yeah, and I'm good for the day. First and foremost, keeping your hair healthy is from the inside out, right? So drinking liquids, drinking a lot of water. I don't drink enough water, but I do make sure that I drink a lot of water when it is wash day. And I will be 100% honest and tell you, I do not wash my hair every week. I cannot do that. My hair is super stripped as it is, and that means that the moisture, for it to retain moisture, for it to just stay in a happy place, it does take a little bit more. So I wash my hair about once every 2 weeks, and that has been working for me great. My hair doesn't fall out, I don't have crazy split ends, and that's what I do. So a typical wash day for me is I wash my hair, and I definitely want to incorporate coconut oil into like a pre-poo. So in an ideal setting, I would pre-poo my hair with coconut oil. Wash my hair, you know, 2, maybe 3 times depending on how much buildup I have. I will condition my hair with a deep conditioner. So typically I use the Shea Moisture deep condition, and I will keep that in my hair for 20 to 30 minutes, sometimes more if I have the bandwidth for that. I will then go back in, rinse out the conditioner, I will leave a little bit in, and then I will blow dry my hair. I do use a heat protectant, and I do make sure that for the most part the first day is just blow dry day. I just kind of leave my hair like that and I'm good to go. The second day I'll usually go in and then straighten my hair. Again, I use a heat protectant, and that'll be pretty much it. I won't straighten my hair unless I absolutely need to. Today I did straighten my hair because I am due for a wash and I am recording, so I wanted to make sure that my hair looked nice, but I typically will not straighten my hair like every single day. Maybe for church day, or if I have like a really special event, or if I'm recording, you know, something like this. But I try to only record, I try and use as little heat as possible is what I'm getting at. My husband does all of my hair, all of my cuts. The reason why I decided to go with a blunt cut is because my hair was due for a trim. The trim was just not something I was happy with, and I had been contemplating a bob cut for a while. It's not the first time I've had a bob cut. It is the first time I've had a cut like this, however, with this color. So I have had a bob before, and I'll insert a picture when it was black, and I liked it. It was fine. I didn't really know how to manage it though. So this time around, I really did a lot of research. I wanted to make sure that I was getting the right cut, the right length. I wanted to make sure that the color was just exactly what I wanted. So once I did not record it, but my husband did do a dry cut with shears, with, you know, cosmetology shears, and then he did go back in with clippers and just make sure that everything was like the same length and everything was nice and perfect. The maintenance of this is so low key. I can still put it in a slick bun if I wanted to. I can still put it up. I have so many different hairstyles that I can do with it. Typically I just kind of keep it like this, but I can throw it off to the side if I want just a more casual kind of look. But I love this sleek bob look. Now, I am going to link some of the videos that I personally watched when I was contemplating getting a bob cut that I think will help you as well. I don't remember the name of the channel, but I will link it in the description down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want more hair inspiration, be sure to follow me on Instagram. You get more of my daily life there. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hit the big thumbs up button. Again, hit the subscription button and notification button so that you know every single time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching y nos vemos en la próxima, mis bestias. Hasta luego.